This is transformer. देखिए थी ना क्या होता है. ठीक. Cross. Optimus Prime, where are you? Hi, Optimus. Hey, उधर से.
What was his name? What was it? Evac, sir. Right, Evac.
Thank you. Oh.
And keep arms and legs clear of the Evac's door.
You forgot to remind them about their eyewear?
First, I was saying a silent prayer for their safety.
Okay, thanks. We're at war. Hurry up.
You require a set of protective eyewear.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! Megatron! Decepticons! Destroy them! Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time? Fools! You can't escape Megatron! Reverse thrusters! Full blast! How do we find a way out of here? Wrong way! We're trapped! Surrender or perish. Your planet belongs to me. Take cover!
Oh, fuck!
Close one.
It's hot.
Escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Let's vortex. We need cover. Hold on.
Oh, fuck.
Sideswipe. Rookie, they trusted you with this mission. You got it. Stone crusher.
Oh, yo.
My gun's jammed. Get it. It's him again. Activate battle shields.
Oh my god! Oh!
We're hit.
Humans.
Hold on. Everybody okay?
Yeah!
Find a way down. Optimus! Cowards run. Heroes fight.
Come on, Optimus!
War is with me. Optimus! Protect the Allspark.
Just dropping in.
We're on our own. What do we do? Beg the mercy never. No more running, recruits. You want to see Allspark?
God!
Can have it.
Oh no! Okay.
Evac, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom
Thank you so
fighters.
much.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with Evac anytime.